Ay ma'am, happy Teachers Day ma'am. Na-appreciate na ako taning ginabuhat sa mga ma'am. Umoro to ma'am. Happy Teachers Day ma'am.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Jill.
Happy Teachers Day ma'am Jill, padayon sa pagkamayo.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers and especially to our advisor, Ma'am Georgie Alfonso. Thank you for teaching us. We love you so much. From Greetings in Titus Brunswick.
Day, Ma'am Jel, padayon sa pagkamayo mo. Ora.
Dear teacher, happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Jill. Thank you for your guidance and support. I truly appreciate your effort and dedication in helping us learn every day. God bless, Ma'am.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Jill.
Out in the Lord and blessings of the Holy Spirit. Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers, especially Ma'am Jill. Thank you for guiding us to learn and have a knowledge of wisdom and your sacrifices. Thank you for everything that you've done to us and happy Teacher's Day. Wisdom, light of faith, live in love.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers, especially our advisor, Ma'am Jill. Hi, Ma'am. Thank you for teaching us, and I wanted to take a moment to express my gratitude for being such an amazing teacher to us. Your patient and kindness in helping us when we make mistakes. Have you truly made a difference in our learning journey?
Hi ma'am Jill, happy Teachers Day and also to all faculty teachers. Stay healthy.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Jill. I just want to say that thank you for loving, caring, guiding, and protecting us in every way. And also, I just want to say that tana ma'am, namibantay ko nun. And then, stay gwapa lang gihapon. Dapat mag-wake up na ka, pwede na ka mahagard, pwede na ka stress. Bisag badlungan mi, pag-wake up lang gihapon. Gihapon kuan. So, maora to, magkaanak na ka. Para na may bantay yun. Para kami na po ang magbantay. Para mapiligid na mga kahago.
Ma'am, happy Teacher's Day. Thank you sa imong pasensya sa pagmamahal sa amin. Thank you very much. Daghan mi na learn sa imo ha. I love you so much more.
Happy Teachers Day ma'am Jill. Thank you po sa lahat ng effort at paghihirap niyo po sa amin para kami po ay matuto. And sorry po ma'am Jill kung pasaway kami palagi. And mora to. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day ulit ma'am.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Jill. Salamat sa tanan.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Jill. Padayon sa imong pagkabutan o pagkatas ug pasensya sa amo ag. Happy Teacher's Day again. Cute kaayo ka, ma'am, parehas na ako.
Happy Teachers Day. Salamat kay sa tanan nga imong gihatag.
Happy Teacher's Day.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Jill. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you for your guidance. Thank you for being a good teacher.
We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Jill. Salamat sa tanan.
Hi, Ma'am Jill. Happy Teacher's Day.
Hi Kyle, happy Teacher's Day. Okay, so from being a classmate to seeing you become a teacher, it's very inspiring. And as your friend, I am proud the teacher you've become. May you continue to inspire and make a positive impact on every student you meet. And to all teachers in Father Orius High School, happy Teacher's Day and mabuhay po kayong lahat.
Teachers Day Sir Kyle. Ayok nga kadala kag more blessings niya. Amping permis sa biyahe. Mga to.
Hi sir, happy Teacher's Day. Thank you sa pagsabot sa attitude na mo ni Carlen and amping permis sa biyahe ni mo sir. Thank you.
Happy Teacher's Day Sir Kyle. Wish you all the best po.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Kyle. Salamat sa pagtudlo sa mua, taga-adlaw. Ug unta hatagan ka ni Lord og dugang kabaskog sa imong panlawas og more blessings to come. More to sir.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Kyle. Thank you kasi permi ka maminaw sa among chikas, runs, and then everything na iingon na mo sa imuha. And then, permi sa minimo pakatawaanan, but usahay, mag-serious gid ta perme pag especially class hours. But pag magsulat man may kay istoryahan naman sa minimo, so chika-chika na lang ta. But thank you kaayo kasi you've been the best math teacher I've known, and then I hope mudako pa ning atong bonding, like mudako pag yun kaya ni, and then love you sir, mama.
Hi, Sir Kyle. Happy Teacher's Day. I'm so proud of how amazing you are as a teacher. You're smart, you're compassionate, you're sporty, and very effort when it comes sa paghimo sa lesson plan. Keep changing lives, one student at a time. I love you so much and know that I will always your biggest fan.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Kyle. Thank you for inspiring us and guiding us with wisdom and care.
From your SSLG officers, Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers. May God bless you all. #for the students by the students.